Ever since you started this group, parang ano yung parang highlights nito para sa inyo ng mga ng Pioneer? Parang this is the peak of the mountain and we gotta climb another one.
Number one is yung recent na crisis care namin. Kasi yung school na pinapilot namin ngayon, na talagang nag-concentrate kami, para ma-test namin lahat yung cycle ng program namin. We've been with them for 2 years na. So, second year namin. And during our crisis care, talagang etong year na to, talagang tuliro kami sa dami ng cases. Kasi from the 500 na crisis support namin, half of that were children in crisis.
Oo, pero hindi namin pwede i-go through lahat yun.
Hindi namin kayang i-crisis care lahat. So, we can just cater to 50 or 55 na bata. Ang ginawa namin, talagang pinagsama-sama namin para pare-pareho yung intervention. I mean, similar yung intervention. Like, for example, lahat ng nag-go through ng bullying, kunyari, and then, isa. Yung mga self-harm, isa. Yung when it comes to, identity-related issues, isa. Sexually abused na may mga background, isa.
Yung mga neglected,
family dysfunctions.
At saka yung mga pinupush na mag-excel sa eskwelahan.
Yung
grades.
That's
crisis na
a unique kind of abuse.
Ang dami namin na-encounter na ganyan na the child is talagang stressed at depressed.
At saka yung kasi parang isa doon is verbal abuse na yung dating niya kasi wala kang alam na dito ka.
Oo, kasi bobo ka kasi.
Bailing.
And to think na nag-excel naman pala yung bata or pinupush sila magka-honor. You know, it's just the pride of the parents siguro.
So, parang ang nangyari that time when we were having our culminating activity, a parent stood up to testify. And yung tinestify niya is result ng first na trauma care namin sa school na yun. And so, she was talking about the improvement ng bata, yung naging mas healthier yung perspective ng bata. We were so happy with that testimony. Tapos isa pa, makita namin din yung changes dun sa mga, siguro, the most rewarding, yung pagkatapos ng 16 sessions, you would see the change in behavior ng mga bata. Yung hawak ko are children who are vaping. Sila sa mga gangster ba sa school, kung baga, mga babae itong mga to. Tapos, at the end, you would see them na thank you po kasi ngayon hindi na po ako mag-vape. Kasi mali pala yun, ganito pala, si God pala, pwede pala akong mag-pray sa kanya. You know, those simple things na makikita mo na may changes in the perspective of the children. And that's a big, highlight pa ng aming
and hoping na mas lumawa.
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.